Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Prosa Eyeliner is probably one of the most versatile and reliable beauty tools you can add to your makeup arsenal, offering a smooth application and long-lasting wear that can take you from a subtle daytime look to a dramatic evening statement with ease, making it a go-to for both beginners and seasoned makeup enthusiasts alike who are seeking a flawless finish that won't smudge or fade throughout the day. Number 5. Julep When Pencil Met Gel Eyeliner. Meet the revolutionary eyeliner that combines the best of both worlds. Experience the smooth glide of a gel with the precision of a pencil. Enjoy flawless wear that lasts from morning to night. This formula is designed to stay put without smudging or fading. Achieve the perfect line every time with its sharpenable tip. Get intricate details or a bold statement with ease. Add a touch of brightness with this beautiful white matte shade. It's perfect for highlighting or creating a clean, graphic look. Discover your new favorite eyeliner for endless creative possibilities. It's the ultimate tool for any makeup look you desire. What we like? This offers a crisp, matte white line for a bold statement. Its sharpenable tip ensures precision for detailed looks. If you're aiming for a bright, graphic eye or a clean inner corner pop, this is your go-to. What people say. The eyeliner has a fine tip that allows for precise application, making it easy to create sharp lines. It is long-lasting and does not smudge throughout the day, even in humid conditions. The formula is highly pigmented, providing a rich, opaque black color with a single swipe. Number 4. Julep When Pencil Met Gel Eyeliner. Meet the revolutionary eyeliner that combines the best of both worlds. Experience the precision of a pencil with the glide of a gel. Enjoy smudge-proof, all-day wear in a beautiful, rich brown matte shade. It stays put without fading or flaking. Achieve the perfect line every time with its sharpenable tip. Get effortless definition for any look you desire. Its unique formula glides on smoothly like a gel, making application a breeze. No tugging or skipping, just pure comfort. This is the ultimate eyeliner for creating bold or subtle looks. Elevate your makeup routine with this versatile and long-lasting essential. What we like? Achieve a soft yet defined look with this rich brown matte shade. The sharpenable pencil allows for effortless application and control. If you prefer a natural enhancement or a smoky effect without harsh lines, this is perfect for everyday wear. What people say. The eyeliner has a fine tip that allows for precise application, making it easy to create sharp lines. It dries down to a matte finish and is smudge-proof, lasting throughout the day without fading or transferring. Number 3. Glitter Liquid Eyeliner and Eyeshadow Makeup Kit. Introducing a revolutionary makeup kit designed to make your eyes shine. Get ready to dazzle with vibrant colors and long-lasting wear. Our formula is built to last through any occasion. It's completely waterproof, ensuring your look stays flawless from day to night. Explore a range of stunning metallic and sparkling glitter finishes. These shades add depth and dimension to your eyes effortlessly. Use it as a bold eyeliner or a shimmering eyeshadow. This versatile product allows for endless creative possibilities with your eye makeup. Achieve a professional, glamorous look in minutes. It's the perfect addition to your makeup collection for any event. Discover the ease of creating captivating eye looks. This kit is designed for beauty enthusiasts who love to stand out. What we like? Add a touch of glamour with its sparkling, metallic finish. This liquid formula is waterproof, ensuring your look stays put. If you love a bit of shimmer and want your eyes to stand out for parties or special occasions, this will deliver that dazzling effect. What people say. The eyeliner has a fine tip that allows for precise application, making it easy to create sharp lines. It is smudge-proof and waterproof, staying in place throughout the day without fading or transferring. The formula is quick-drying, preventing any accidental smudging after application. Number 2. K7L Creamy Eyeliner Pencil. Introducing the K7L Creamy Eyeliner Pencil, designed for effortless application on your waterline. Achieve a defined and beautiful look with ease. Experience all-day confidence with its long-wearing formula. This eyeliner stays put, ensuring your look remains flawless from morning to night. Don't let water ruin your makeup. Our waterproof eyeliner ensures your eye look stays intact, no matter the conditions. Feel good about your beauty choices. This product is proudly vegan and cruelty-free, offering a guilt-free way to enhance your eyes. Enjoy a smooth and creamy application every time. The rich pigment glides on effortlessly, providing intense color payoff without tugging. It's the perfect addition to your makeup collection for creating bold or subtle eye looks. Discover the difference of a truly exceptional eyeliner. What we like. Designed specifically for the waterline, this pencil glides on smoothly. It's vegan, waterproof, and built for long-lasting wear without smudging. If you struggle with irritation or fading on your waterline, or want to define your lower lash lines subtly, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The eyeliner has a fine tip that allows for precise application, making it easy to create sharp lines. It dries down quickly to a matte finish and doesn't smudge throughout the day, which is great for long wear. The formula is waterproof and holds up well even in humid conditions, preventing any fading or running. Number 1. EIGSHOW Sickle Angled Eyeliner Brush E865. Achieve flawless eyeliner application with our innovative sickle-shaped brush. Its unique curve is designed for ultimate precision and control. Experience the gentle touch of our ultra-thin, vegan bristles. They glide smoothly across your eyelid for a comfortable and precise makeup experience. This brush is your perfect partner for gel eyeliners. It picks up the right amount of product for a clean, sharp line every time. From precise eyeliner wings to beautifully defined eyebrows and eyelids, this tool helps you create any eye look you desire. Say goodbye to smudges and uneven lines. Its ergonomic design ensures an effortless application, making your makeup routine simpler and more effective. Discover the difference a specialized tool can make. Elevate your eye makeup game with this essential brush. What we like. This unique angled brush is designed for ultimate precision. Its ultra-thin vegan bristles allow for the finest lines and detailed work. If you're looking for a tool to create sharp wings, fill in brows with precision, or apply gel liner flawlessly, this brush will elevate your application game. What people say. The eyeliner has a fine tip that allows for precise application, making it easy to create sharp wings. It dries down to a matte finish and is smudge-proof, lasting throughout the day without fading or transferring. The formula is highly pigmented, providing intense color payoff in a single swipe. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.